Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get Adobe fonts into Unity. So I've got a new Unity project here. I spared you having to wait for it to load up. And what I'm going to do is go into Window, Text Mesh Pro, and I'm going to go Import Text Mesh Pro Essential Resources. And that brings up uh, just everything that Text Mesh Pro comes with that isn't in your Unity project, and you're going to need some of its utilities, and we'll use its default font as a reference. So I'm going to load that up. I'm going to go into UI, make us a canvas. In that canvas, I'm going to make an image. We're going to set that image to be stretch in the X and Y dimensions, and just going to set its top, bottom, left, right positions to 0. I'm going to turn this down a little just because it kind of hurts my eyes. Now in this same canvas, right-clicking, I'm going to make a text Mesh Pro object. Here it says new text. Hello world. Got some boring text here, and all we've got is this default text font from Text Mesh Pro. Actually going to go into my assets and create a folder called fonts. Okay, now I'm going to go into Adobe Fonts. It looks like I already searched up a weird font to try. This one only has one font type, so that might be an easy example. So you can add it to your Adobe fonts, and then it's available in Adobe projects, or you can add it to web projects. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say add to web projects. I'm just going to pick, I have like a catch-all goes to go project. This doesn't really matter. We just need to get it so we can click save, because what we want to do is we want to see in our web project we can link to the font with this link element, and we want to click the value of this attribute and say when we load this into a web project, what is it getting? And we'll check. It is getting this CSS file. And if you look in here, there's all these fonts. They're the same fonts, but some of them are different weights. Oh, yeah, there's a skinny 300, 900. So here's all your different font weights. And I'm going to grab this web open font 2 file and say, okay, when it goes to grab this font format, what is it getting? It is getting a WAF file. I'm going to save that. That was a bad type. Go in here. I could call this bad type 400. I forget what the weight was on that, but you can name it accordingly so you know what it is, where you got it. Now I'll link this in the project description, but some angel made this open font to true type converter, and it just works. It's really, really easy. You just drag and drop a font here, click convert, click download. You can put a bunch on there and it'll actually download them all in a zip, so you could do all your different weights all together. So now I've got this this true type. what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into my font folder, and I'm going to just drag this in there. And I'll show you something. It's not available. Because what we need to do is create a Text Mesh Pro asset out of this font. So I'm going to right click on the TrueType font, click Create, Text Mesh Pro, Font Asset, SDF. Don't know what it means, but it works. I'm going to go back into my text. So it's a little more accessible, lower the background on here. And we see our bad type. Can scale this up a little. There's a bounding box we can't see that's giving it text wrap, so I would just give it a little more width. Give it a little more width. There we go. Beautiful. Put some, and that is how you get Adobe fonts into your Unity project. Thank you.